Hello kids, welcome to In Champs. In this video, we are going to learn about number names from 1 to 1 billion. I am going to add zeros one by one and I'll show you the name of that number. Let's start. 1 O N E 1. If I add 1 0, then the number name is 10. T E N 10. If I add 2 zeros, then the number name is 100. O N E 1 H U N D R E D 100 100. If I add 3 zeros, then the number name is 1000. O N E 1 T H O U S A N D 1000 1000. If I add 4 zeros, then the number name is 10,000. T E N 10 T H O U S A N D 10,000. If I add 5 zeros, then the number name is 100,000. O N E 1 H U N D R E D 100 T H O U S A N D 100,000. If I add 6 zeros, then the number name is 1 million. O N E 1 M I L L I O N million 1 million. If I add 7 zeros, then the number name is 10 million. T E N 10 M I L L I O N million 10 million. If I add 8 zeros, then the number name is 100 million. O N E 1 H U N D R E D 100 M I L L I O N million 100 million. If I add 9 zeros, then the number name is 1 billion. O N E 1 B I L L I O N billion 1 billion. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.